Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON V9. In this video I'll show you how to use CarPlay or Android Auto. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with car via Bluetooth. Take a look at the screen display. Right here you will have this button for Apple CarPlay or for Android Auto. Tap it to enter it. Now you can manage telephone, music, maps, messages, banking accounts, YouTube Music, WhatsApp and more. You can switch to Maps, or go to Settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.